In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize layers or images in Affinity Photo. Whether you're adjusting a logo, scaling a photo element, or tidying up a composition, the process is quick and consistent across most layer types. Start by selecting the layer you want to resize. Open your Layers panel and click the specific layer so it's highlighted. This ensures you're transforming the right element and not the entire canvas or background by mistake. If several elements need to scale together, select their group so everything resizes as one piece. If you don't see a bounding box later, double-check that the layer isn't locked. Next, choose the Move tool. You'll find it in the toolbar, and once it's active, you'll see a bounding box appear around your selected content. The corners of this box are where the real action happens. With the Move tool on, your mouse pointer changes and Affinity Photo shows handles that you can drag. Now, drag one of the corner handles to resize. Pull outward to make the content larger or inward to make it smaller. Corner handles are best for uniform scaling. Side handles will stretch horizontally or vertically, which is useful sometimes, but most of the time you'll want the corners. For a centered scale, hold Alt or Option while you drag so it grows or shrinks from the middle. Keep an eye on snapping guides if you've enabled them. They can help you align and size with precision. To keep proportions, hold Shift as you drag. This locks the aspect ratio so circles stay circular and logos don't look squished. A small tip here. Keep holding Shift until after you release the mouse button, so the constraint stays applied to the final size. When you're happy with the new size, press Enter to apply. This commits the transformation. If you need to cancel, press Escape, and if you want to try again, Undo will take you back to the previous state. A few practical tips as you work. Zoom in for fine adjustments, especially when fitting elements to edges or guides. If the image looks soft after a big enlargement, that's normal with raster content. Scaling up adds pixels the software has to invent, so try to start with higher resolution assets when possible. For placed images and most layers, these exact steps apply the same way. Just confirm the correct layer is selected before resizing, and that's all you need to resize layers or images confidently in Affinity Photo.